Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Citizens Financial Group, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather your income statements, including pay stubs and any other sources of revenue. Next, list all your monthly expenses. Include fixed costs such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Now, categorize your expenses into essential and discretionary. Essential expenses are necessary for daily living. Discretionary expenses are non-essential and can be adjusted. Calculate your total income and total expenses. Once you have these figures, subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will help you understand whether you're in a surplus or deficit. If you're in a deficit, identify areas where you can cut back. Review your discretionary expenses and consider reducing them. If you have a surplus, think about saving or investing that money wisely. Next, set specific financial goals. These could include saving for a vacation, building an emergency fund, or paying off debt. Now, create a budget using the Citizens Financial Group tools available. Visit the Citizens Financial Group website for budgeting resources. Use their online calculator to track your income and expenses. This will provide a visual representation of your financial landscape. Adjust your budget as needed based on your spending habits. Record your expenses regularly to stay on track. Review your budget monthly to ensure it aligns with your goals. This will allow you to make necessary adjustments in real time. Engage with Citizens Financial Group's financial coaching services if needed. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your situation. Celebrate your financial milestones, no matter how small. This will help keep you motivated on your budgeting journey. If the page does not, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.